Also guys, today we're gonna study daily routine, morning ritual, morning stuff that we do every single day, right? Okay, first one, wake up. Wake up. 일어나요. 일어나요. Wake up. Okay, and workout. Workout means we go to the gym and work out, right? So this is 헬스해요. exercise, 운동해요. exercise, 운동해요, include a lot of things. For example, you run or you learn something like some other sports. You can say exercise, 운동해요, right? So 운동해요 has wider, bigger meaning compared to workout. Workout is just go to the gym and just work out, okay? And jog, 조깅해요. 조깅해요. Okay? Oh my god, I'm stupid. Wake up. 일어나요. Sorry. Wake up. 일어나요. And take a shower. 샤워해요. Next, eat breakfast. 먹어요. 아침. 아침밥. Okay, 아침 is actually morning. We can say morning instead of breakfast. So I eat morning in Korean. It's weird, but we use it like that way. I eat breakfast. I eat morning. It's same. And then 밥 here is meal. 밥 is meal. Okay. So morning meal is breakfast. That is, one more time, 아침 or 아침밥. Okay, next one, put on clothes. 입어요. 옷 입어요. Put on. And clothes. 옷. Okay. Okay, next one, go to work. 출근해요. Got it? So I have to explain one thing here, one grammar. So before I start, you have to check out this one. Verb, objective. Verb, objective, right? But in Korea, we use objective first and then verb. So this one, okay? This is just really basic grammar, basic rule, how to make basic sentences in Korean. So check this out. Eat breakfast, right? 먹어요 아침. But this is wrong. No! Because we have to change this one first. Yes! Because objective, right? 아침 verb 먹어요. You understand? 아침 먹어요. So I write down here. 아침, breakfast, right? Or 아침밥. I told you, right? 아침 먹어요. You got it? Here. 입어요 옷. This is also wrong because we have to speak objective first and then verb. So right down here. 옷 입어요. Got it? This is objective and verb. Objective and verb. Okay, good job. Actually, I have one more thing I have to explain about objective, but I will explain some other video. So let's read one by one. Wake up, 일어나요. Workout, 헬스해요. 헬스해요. Exercise, 운동해요. Jog, jogging해요. Take a shower, 샤워해요. Eat breakfast, 먹어요 아침. No, no, no. 아침 먹어요. Eat breakfast, 아침밥 먹어요. Put on clothes, 입어요 옷. No, no, no. 옷 입어요. What? One more time. Put on clothes, 옷 입어요. Go to work, 출근해요. Go to work, 출근해요. Good job. Thanks for watching. See you.